Okay, I'm always seeing these different devices for opening up your nostrils, helping you sleep better. One in particular I see all the time posted about is one that is magnetic, and you put these little stickers in it, opens your nostrils up, which is really a cool concept, but I'm afraid of like having these marks in the morning on the outside of my nose and just like that stickiness of always having these little stickers on. But check these out. This comes in a pack, so there's a ton of these it comes with. Each of them has its own little individual case, and again, it uses that magnetic type of thing, but instead of on the outside, it opens it up from the inside and kind of pushes it open. And I swear, like, this isn't uncomfortable. It's not like, I feel like as aggressive and crazy and noticeable as the other one. But like, let's see the amount my nostrils changed. Definitely opens up your airway a lot more. I've been sleeping with these in and sleeping amazing with these, and they actually stay in through the night. So, and I'm a wild sleeper, so definitely look into these if you're looking for a different option for sleeping.